In this video, we are going to draw a sprite on the screen using PyGame. PyGame is the library that is used to build games in Python. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, search for creating sprite on the screen in PyGame. Hit find to see all the available code snippets. We'll go with the top result as it matches our query. Now this use case requires the PyGame library to function. So before going ahead, make sure that you have this library. If not, get it from kandi. Now let's get back to our code. Copy the code in a single click from here, go to the IDE and paste the code. Let's take a look at the code before proceeding. First, we are initializing the PyGame. Here we are initializing the class. And here we create a main function which has details about the position of the tiles and also the colors of the tiles. Let's run the code now. And you have drawn a sprite on the screen in PyGame.